Welcome to the channel. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today, we got our Texit miner package in the mail. We're going to open it up and see how we register our miner so that our coins that have been producing every day since we ordered this will come into our wallet, and then we will get our Texit daily rewards every single day. So let's see what is in this package I just got. All right, so first thing, we get 2 pamphlets about Texit. This would be great to give to some people to explain to them what we're doing with this amazing blockchain. Our mission control manual, very detailed outline of the mission of Texitcoin and how it all works. You can read through that if you want to. A very nice brochure about your journey beginning with Mine TXC. This is an amazing book, a little bit about Bobby and the mission, our core values. Great to put on your coffee table when you have guests over to introduce them to Texit. Now, the important things here are, of course, in this white package, you should get 2 coins, okay? The most important one is this Texit coin one, okay? This is where your tokens are going to go every single day. This is a cold storage wallet for Ethereum. You can choose when you start getting your commissions, you can choose your USDC to go here. You don't have to. I'll show you how to change that if you want to. But this is the most important piece of paper. You must activate your cold storage coin and your Ethereum coin if you choose that wallet as your commission wallet. So we have to make sure we activate this, okay? Now you will get another sheet of paper that tells you what is in your package. Now, I will tell you guys, we used to get these in our packages, but they don't usually send them out because there's just not enough to make, okay? This is an extra Texit coin to give away to somebody. There's no coins going to it. Someone can register this by using the 6-digit code on the back. So you could give them this, and this could be their cold storage wallet, but you don't have to because they're going to get one anyway. So for me, I just use it as marketing to hold up, show people, what we're doing here with Texit. So we're going to scan this QR code. Okay, that's going to take us to minetxc.com. And then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to register our coin on the back using these 6 digits on here. Okay, until this coin is opened, all right, and we would peel this sticker off the back, you use WD-40 or nail polish remover. Until that is taken away, no coins on this wallet can be moved by anybody. So again, if you want to keep it super safe, do not open it. Put it in your safe, but I'm going to show you guys how you can view your wallet without opening it yet. So let's jump onto the computer. All right, now we are on minetxc.com. If you already have a login and you've logged into your back office, go ahead and put that in here now. If you have not done anything, you've never logged in, you're going to click first time here or forgot password. Put in your email address that you registered with Texit, and then they will send you an email to reset your password. Go ahead, reset that to a password that you know. Write it down somewhere, save it in your password manager so you can easily log in. Once you do that, go ahead and log in, and we'll see you in the back office. All right, now as soon as we log in, it came to my account. If it doesn't do that to you, click on my account on the left, and it says right here, please activate your cold storage coin to receive your 12.65 TXC. So basically, since this has been ordered and my rewards have been piling up, they basically put them in an escrow. So just in case this did get lost in the mail, there's no coins on it that they need to basically pay us back with. Because if, again, you lose this, you lose your coins. So we're going to click here to activate. Our coin ID is on the back here on this QR code. Okay, it's not a secret. Doesn't matter if people know what it is. But you're going to put that 6-digit code in. All right, and we're going to activate our coin. Awesome. Your account has been activated successfully. Your pending rewards transaction is being processed. We could see it here on the blockchain. We can copy that and close it. Okay. Now there's nothing else for us to do. You can see here what you guys have been getting paid each day on TXC. So tonight at 8 p.m. when we get paid, those coins that were piling up in that escrow will come into your wallet. and then every day your coins again will come to this. As long as you don't open it, you can't move those coins. Now, if you do want to just do a read only, meaning look at your wallet on your TXC wallet, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so we are back on our phone. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your app store, whether you're on Apple or Android, and search for TXC wallet. When that comes up, you're going to go ahead and download it, and then we will click open. Now yours will probably come out looking something like this. Obviously you won't have the transactions, but you should see add a wallet and add now. The other way to add a wallet is there's the plus sign in the top right. You can click on that to add a wallet this exact same way. Well, let's go ahead and click on the add now, the big red button. Now, because we're scanning this in from a coin we already have, we don't need to name the wallet. And we're going to actually do what's called import the wallet. So on the very bottom, under the red create sign, we're going to click import wallet. Okay. Now we don't have any seed words yet. That's a 12-word seed phrase that you always want to keep private. If we did have those, we would put them in here and it would restore our wallet. We're going to click scan or import a file on the very bottom, and our camera will open. All right. Now you're going to take your cold storage coin, put your thumb over the QR code that is on the cardboard, all right, because we're going to want to scan the one that's right on the back of the coin. And we're going to go ahead and scan this here. You might need to make sure you have enough light and it's the right distance. There we go. All right, now mine has already been imported. Yours will say something like, processing. Just give it a few seconds and it will load up your imported wallet, and it should look like this, where it says imported watch only. Now, obviously you won't have the transactions, but once you have registered your coin on minetxc.com, come 8 p.m., those coins that were in escrow will be sent to that wallet, and then you will get your daily tokens each day of TXC. Now, if you'll notice here, we can click on the imported watch only. So I'm going to click on the big gray box and it goes into that. And if you'll notice, there's just a receive button because we can't send any coins out of this wallet until this is opened. So this keeps it very safe. That's why it's called a cold storage coin. If you do want to move them, you will open this. You will take this sticker off. There's another sticker under it. All right, you're going to think, do I need to remove this? Is it okay? It's okay. Remove it. Use WD-40 nail polish remover. And then there's a laser etched QR code that you would follow the same process we just did, except it will be a hot wallet where you can send and receive your TXC tokens. So if you did want to receive some extra tokens to send them here, if you bought them, you can click receive. That will give you a QR code you can scan to send them, or you can click on that long address and it will copy it. Now your receive address will change. Okay, this is a privacy feature we have in our TXC wallet. It's called Mimblewimble, where every time you click to receive your coins, it creates a new wallet. That's so people can't look on the blockchain and see how much money you have, which was very smart by Bobby. All right, so that is basically it. Now, let's say you have a hot wallet and you wanted to get your seed words, right? Because again, if you lose this wallet, this coin, you cannot get your coins. All right. Now, if you wanted to have a backup, you're going to go into your hot wallet. All right. And then you're going to click on the 3 buttons on the top right. And then you're going to click on the big red button that says export backup. Now, I'm going to cover this when I record this, but you do not ever want to share this with anyone. You don't want to take a screenshot. You don't want to print them on the computer. Only paper and pencil, and keep them in your safe. Even if Bobby Gray himself messages you or support and says, hey, we need your seed words, do not give it to them. So I'm going to go ahead and click export backup. There will be a QR code there that you can scan to restore your wallet. Let's say if you lose your phone or something. And then there's 12 words on the bottom that you can write down. Again, only on a piece of paper. Put them in your safe, or your family, close friends safe, if you want to have a backup. But again, do not share those with anyone. All right, so that is how you guys get set up. Congratulations on starting your journey with Texit Coin. You will now be paid daily in Texit for the next 136 years or so. Let's make 2026 an awesome year, guys. Lace up, we are wealthy. Peace.